Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to on eye comfort mode in our Oppo phone. So friends, you want to on guys your eye comfort mode in your Oppo phone. So friends, you can on it. And friends, now let's see how to on eye comfort mode in our Oppo phone. In this video I will show you. So friends, how to on eye comfort mode in our Oppo phone. In this video I will show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to on guys, open your phone setting to on guys your eye comfort mode. So we will on guys our phone setting and guys scroll it. So friends, you can see guys your display and brightness setting, friends tap here and guys again scroll. So as you can see guys your eye comfort mode, so guys tap here. So you want to on, so guys you can on from here. After on guys you can see skin color will change, and guys you can see skin color, temperature guys you can adjust, you can customize yourself guys. So it is good for your eyes guys when you operate phone at night, so you should on your eye comfort mode. So like that guys, you can on guys your eye comfort mode in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet in next video. Bye bye friends.